looks very sharp.
Looks sharp.
Very elegant. Yeah. It's a little bit heavy.
The weight is designed so that you don't need to apply pressure.
Okay.
You just kind of press it against your skin lightly, and the weight pulls the blade through the hair. Do you know what razor you use currently?
I think I'm on a Gillette one.
You can get 100 replacement blades on Amazon.
Yeah.
Can you guess how much that costs you?
Of these ones, 30 quid.
$5.99. Say on average, Gillette's per blade is between maybe £2.50 and £3. So you look over the year, hopefully that'll save you quite a bit. What would you spend the money on, do you reckon?
I don't know, probably just put it in savings, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm a poor man at the moment, so now it'll help a lot there.